Hello students, fine morning you all. I'm sure you all keep fine. Today we are going to learn a new topic from second unit supplementary, the fun they had. What is the topic? The fun they had. Written by Isaac Asimov. The author name is Isaac Asimov. Okay, let's take a look at the author. Isaac Asimov, born on January 2nd, 1920. So when he was born in the year of 1920 on January 2nd. Okay, then he was an American writer. Okay, not Indian writer, he was an American writer and professor of biochemistry at Boston University. Professor of which university? Boston University. Okay, Boston University. The subject is biochemistry. Okay, he was known for his work of science fiction and popular science. See, fiction meaning imaginative writing. Okay, describe things or events in an imaginative way. That is what fiction. Here, he was good at science fiction. It is related to technology and science. Okay, fiction based on future science and scientific and technology. Clear? Science fiction and popular science. Asimov was a prolific writer. Prolific meaning best writer, and edited more than 500 books. Some books author, one or more than one author would be there, edited by him. Okay, he edited more than 500 books and estimated 90,000 letters and postcards. He created 90,000 letters and postcards. Postcards contain one side would be pictures. Okay, Asimov wrote hard science fiction. Hard science, it's a very big, okay, very hard science fiction along with Robert A. Heinlein and Arthur C. Clarke. Arthur C. Clarke. Along with this two people, okay, he wrote hard science fiction. He was considered one of the best science fiction writers during his lifetime. What was his lifetime? He lived in 19th century, right? 1920. He was born in the year of 1920. So in that century, he became popular, okay, in science fiction. Clear? So please all of you read this once. Okay. Then some words, vocabulary, glossary parts given. First word, crinkly. What's the meaning of crinkly? With many folds or lines. See, papers, we crump it. Then it become crinkly. Okay, the papers and the folded, many folds would be there. That is what crinkly. Then awfully, very or extremely. Okay, adjective, it is adjective. Awfully meaning extremely. Attic. See, this is attic, the roof of our house. We usually dump waste things, books or any other things we dump. Okay, so this is attic. Attic, a space just below the roof, used as a storeroom. We use this place as a storeroom. We keep our unwanted things there, books, lot of things, right? That is what attic. Okay. Next, scornful. Scornful meaning feeling or expressing contempt. Contempt meaning hatred. Okay, extreme anger, hatred. That is scornful, feeling or expressing contempt. Loftily, something done in a proud or haughty manner. in a boasting manner people do some things, right? That is what loftily, something done in a proud or hearty manner. Century, a period of 100 years. Century is a period of 100 years. We are in the century of 2021, right? 2000 century. Okay. Then nonchalantly. Nonchalantly meaning in a casually calm and relaxed manner. See, relax or calm manner without getting anger, very peaceful. That is nonchalantly. Okay. Please learn this hard words. Okay. Then let's move to the story. So what is the topic? The fun they had. Isaac Asimov. Okay, author is Isaac Asimov. Here is an imaginary high school class depicted in a French postcard. This is postcard. Picture would be given in a postcard. Which century? 1901 to 1900. Okay, 19th century. This card picture is 19th century. Okay, see, let me say a story. Here the story, it is in the year of 2157. We all have to jump in that year, in that century. Then only we can enjoy the story. Okay. Which year? 2157. We are 2021, right? But this one 157. So see, if we take our parents, grandparents, their lifestyle, those days there was no mobile phone, right? What about us? We are in this century, in this 21st century, we have mobile phone, so updated. If we compare this 2 century, which means our grandparents and our generation, okay, this century, if we take it, vast difference we can find, right? Those days there was no computer, then people's school, in school and all, they studied under the tree. Then they don't have mobile phone and so much facilities, right? But now it's not like that. Entirely changed. All the students have their own individual mobile phone, then smartphones, vehicles, lot of facilities. Then you just think about 2157, that century, how would be? Just to think about it. And we all just assume we are living in this century, okay? You just forget this 2021. We are living in 2157, in that year. So, that education, there, I don't think so. We can find textbooks. We never go to see now. This pandemic, everything changed upside down, right? We are sitting at home and learning. We ever think about it? Similarly, if we take after 100 or 200 years later, we no need school, no need to go to school, right? We can be sit at home and study. Yes or no? So like that situation only given here. There are two characters. Okay, the story deals with a boy and a girl, small girl, 13-year-old boy and a girl. They found a real book. See, in this 2150s, in this century, they couldn't find any books. They don't use any textbook. Okay, they only use mobile phone screens only. So they study with that. So that boy found a real book. They surprised by seeing that book. Then moreover, that century kids, they are so depressed of learning, have no enjoyment, sitting at home alone and learning. they have a robot like machine. That machine teaches everything. Okay. They have no contact with the other children. So that's quite boring, right? No printed books like this. So, uh, so they hate books. These people, they hate education, learning, books, everything. Okay, all the things they learn through this machine only. That's what the deals here. Okay, shall we start that? Read the story to find out how a student like Maggie studies in the year 2157. The girl name is Maggie, how she studied in this year. Okay, Maggie even wrote about in that night in her diary. She has the habit of writing diary. Okay, so she wrote in that diary on the page header. She put date 17th May 2157. You just assume we all in this year. Okay, she wrote, today Tommy found a real book. They haven't seen this printed books, so they are surprised. She mentioned in her diary, Tommy, her friend, okay, another one boy, he found a book, printed book. It was very old book. Maggie's grandfather once said that even he was a little boy, his grandfather told him about there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. Yeah, see, in this century, they couldn't see any printed papers or anything. Everything they are learning through online. Okay, so her parents, this kid's parents, grandparents, once they discussed when they were studying, they read printed books. They studied their schools, education, all those things. They a bit shared with these kids. Okay, that is what saying. It was a very old that book. They got a book. That book was very old. Maggie's grandfather once said that when he was a little grandfather was a little boy. Okay, just imagine, not her father, her grandfather. Okay, little boy, his grandfather's grandfather, just to think about the century back. Okay, told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. Definitely, following century after 10 or 100 or 200 centuries later, this would be happen. Okay, we can expect this. Because nowadays they reduced paper, using of paper. Maximum wherever we go, they are using computer. They are not even bank also. So slowly everything they reduce. Okay. Then it vanished. Then they turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly. Yes, they haven't seen a book before, right? So they were looking at the book, The Storm and Maggie. Okay, that book was yellowish color. Okay, yellow in color and crinkly, just somewhat crumbed. Okay, and it was awfully funny. Yeah, when they looked at the book, they feel funny. Okay, they couldn't enjoy that book. They're just taking it a fun. Is there in this century like this book, like that? They are thinking. Okay, awfully meaning extremely funny to read words that stood still. You see, textbook. When we are reading, the words would be there. After 2 days, 3 days, whenever we read books, the words, everything, pictures, everything in the same place. But on screen is not like that. Immediately it vanished, right? So when they see this, they surprised. The words and all stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen. Because this kid, Margie and Tom and all, in the century 2157, what they are learning everything on screen, right? So they are seeing this words and all stood still. They are shocked, okay, surprised. you know, and then when turned back to the page before, it had the same words. See, on screen and all, when we turn back and all, we cannot find everything move. But textbook, the same page, same words, same everything same, has no change. So they surprised by seeing that when they flip the page back and front, same words are there. So by seeing that, they feel surprised on it that it had when they read it the first time. When they read the first time, same thing where there they can find. So by seeing that, they surprised. Okay. So please visualize yourself in this century. Then only you can understand and enjoy the story. Okay. Gee, said Tommy, what a waste. When you are through with a book, you just throw it away, I guess. Our television screen must have had a million books. See, when we are reading a book, then we just move away, right? If we take another books, everything after reading, we just keep it aside. But on a screen, the kids are telling, on screen, millions of books we can store, right? That's what say. What a waste, the waste of paper, and we throw in that book. When you are through the book, you just throw it away. I guess our television screen must have had million books on it, and it's good for plenty more, even more. Plenty more we can store in the screen, right? In a mobile phone or computer. I wouldn't throw it away. The screen and all, we don't throw it away. It would be there, right? Whenever we take. No need to throw it away. So they were discussing, Maggie and Tommy. Same with mine. She also feel the same by seeing this book, said Maggie. She was 11 and hadn't seen as many books, telebooks, as Tommy had. Telebooks, this mobile phone. Okay, books. They can store, that's what. He was 13. Yeah, this Tommy was 13-year-old. This girl, 11-year-old. She says this Tommy read more than this girl. Okay, many books. So, same with mine, said Maggie. She was 11 and hadn't seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. Yeah, Tommy had read plenty of books than this girl. He was 13. As per the age they are comparing. Okay. She said, where did you find it? Yeah, this girl, by seeing the book, she asked this boy, where did you find this book? In my house. He pointed without looking because he was busy reading in the attic. See, he was sitting in the attic. Okay, that small place. He didn't even look at the place. He was busy with reading, on the screen. Okay, books he was reading. Then the girl asked, where did you find this book? He said, where? In the attic. Okay. In my house. He got that book in his house. What's it about? Yeah, she was asking, what about this book? What is it given? What is the main idea of this book? He said, school. Maggie was scornful. Scornful, hatred. Okay, she hates school. School? What's there to write about school? I hate school. Is there a book writing about school? Like that, she was surprised. Okay, because she hates school. Okay, then Maggie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. Why she hates school? Because, can you find the picture there? See, this robot like this computer, this is what teaching her. No teacher. Okay. So this give test, conduct test, ask question. The screen, there to display all the questions, notes, everything. So in no time it correct it and give. Update her progress. So no rest, no companion like us, right? So she hates school. Maggie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head scornfully and sent for the county inspector. County inspector is a person. Okay, so this machine, test after test, it gives and update everything to her mother. The mother also feel very sad by seeing her marks and all. Okay, she is not performing well, like that and all. So she feels somewhat depressed. Okay, Maggie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. Why? The mechanical teacher, this robot, this machine, okay, had been giving her test after test, always test only, okay, which is subject geography, and she had been doing worse and worse. She couldn't do better, okay, until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. They thought her grade becoming worse. So her mother thought, yes, this machine, it must have complained. That is why it is showing what is error, right? Her performance getting low only. So she's called, sent for meaning called, county inspector, that man. He came with the tools to repair this machine. This is what the education of which year? 2157. Okay, just imagine how it would be, right? So it's really boring for the kids, right? No companions, everything on screen. Just to think about the health, horrible, right? So all these things hated the kids, the school. Clear? I stop here. Please read this lesson. Okay, this much, 2 pages. Read it at least twice. Okay, twice you read it and learn this hard words. Okay, learn this hard words and read this twice. Okay, you just imagine yourself in this century, then only you can understand this story. Fine. Read hard words and learn that with spelling. Okay, thank you. Meet you in the next class.